Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash the like button if you're new, and do not forget to hit the red subscribe button because it really does help my channel grow. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, guys, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the cryptocurrency market cap right now, we are currently sitting at $855 billion. We have seen a flash crash happen today, guys. Markets have pulled down quite significantly over the past few hours, and there is major fear across the board right now. Market's down 8.9% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.4%. Looking at the over markets, as I mentioned to you guys, look at the last 24 hour to 7 days. Majority of the market are seeing continuous red across the board. Major fear right now within the markets. A lot of people are saying that we are going to go lower, and we were talking about this happening. You know, the price of Bitcoin was hovering at that $22,000, but I said if the price is unable to hold above that support level, we are going to see more downwards momentum occur. And, you know, unfortunately, the support level at that $22,000 did not hold, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin go below $20,000 for the first time ever since 2020, and that has been causing a lot of panic within the board right now. As you guys can see, majority of the markets are down quite significantly. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Harmony One. All right, Harmony One, where did it go? I just saw it. There we go, Harmony One. If we're looking at the price of Harmony One right now, it is currently trading at 0.024 cents, down 8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 106th spot. Market cap right now is sitting right below that $300 million market cap with a 24-hour trading volume of $26.6 million. But now let's get into the charts and see what exactly is going on with one and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as I mentioned, we are currently sitting at 0.024 cents, but we are still below that level of resistance at that 3.2 cents that we need to be above as soon as possible. As long as the price of Harmony One is above that level of resistance, I am happy. If we are looking at the 1 hour chart, we get a better picture to see what exactly is going on. But right now, you guys can see it's been about a week now since the price has been hovering sideways, especially below this level of resistance at that 3.2 cents mark. You can see the price of Harmony One came down to that 2.2 cents mark today after we saw that flash crash happen within the Bitcoin price. But since then, we have seen it rebound about, let's just check to be exact, we have seen the price rebounds about 8% since that mark. Nothing crazy, but not bad as well. If you picked up some Harmony One around there, that might have been a good time to be picking some up. You're already up 8%, but that does not mean we can see more downwards momentum occur for the price of Harmony One. Obviously, you guys know where I want the price to be right now, where honestly, everyone should want the price of Harmony One would be at is above this level of resistance, which is at that 3.2 cents mark. And from current price levels, that is a move of about 31.7%. And now we will look at, is that possible? When could we possibly realistically expect that price movement to happen within the price of Harmony One? And the answer to that is look at Bitcoin. You guys can see Bitcoin has been seeing some massive downwards pressure sell-off happening within its price. We have seen the price of Bitcoin go all the way down to $17,743 for the first time ever since 2020, guys. Massive sell-off is happening within the Bitcoin price. If we are bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see the price of Bitcoin has pulled down since all-time highs about 73.3%, and I do believe that the bottom is coming, near. It's near, very, very near. Because if we do go back to our previous bull cycle, we did see the price of Bitcoin go down about 85 to 86%. Just a quick math. So you guys can really see that we are already down 73% since all-time highs. And there's a lot of factors that are playing for the price of Bitcoin going, down this fast. You guys already know there's massive inflation. Interest rates are going extremely high. A lot of uncertainty within the traditional markets. And obviously Bitcoin is highly correlated with the stock market. And, that is playing a major correlation. But one positive thing that I'm taking away from this is that I believe the bear market cycle for the price of Bitcoin is going to be very, very short term compared to what we have seen in the previous cycles. We have seen a bear market last 1 to 2 years, but I do believe this bear market is not going to be as long as the ones that we have seen in the past, because let me tell you why. One reason as to why. Bitcoin is, obviously known as an hedge against inflation. And now that we are seeing massive inflation across the world, and now might be the time where eyes are going to turn into Bitcoin as an alternative asset. Right now, we are seeing a massive sell-off, but once we are near the bottom area, when we're oversold territory, which we are already in, we're in some oversold territory. But once we have settled down, see the price of Bitcoin really consolidate, I do see Bitcoin being the number one asset that everyone is going to look at, and that is going to be exciting. But that does not mean we can't be going lower right now. It's definitely not out of the woods just yet, but if the price of Bitcoin is able to close above $20,000, that would be something definitely nice to see. But looking at the price of Harmony One right now, if the price of Bitcoin were to start heading back towards its $22,000 to $23,000 price point, most importantly, that $22,000 price right now, guys, that's the number one key where I'm currently looking at. If the price of Bitcoin goes there and stays sideways for the next month or two, I'm totally fine with that. But the price needs to be there right now. And if that were to happen, I do see the price of Harmony One start creeping back up to this resistance level. And without a doubt, once again, in my personal opinion, the most undervalued asset right now in the cryptocurrency space is Harmony One. A lot of people are sleeping on it, and since all-time highs, let's look at how far Harmony One has dropped. Since all-time highs, it's down 94%. 94%, pull down since the all-time highs, which was just at the beginning of this year, about 6 months back, and since then it has retraced about 93%. And I am definitely happy when Harmony One goes lower, because that gives me an opportunity to be accumulating Harmony One at a cheaper, discounted price, because I do believe this project is here to stay, and it is going to have a rebound once the bull market returns, and it is going to hit $1 next bull cycle. I'm very optimistic about that. Very unique project, and they continue developing and innovating, and I do believe that this project is here to stay. But not financial advice, it's just my own personal opinion. You guys do your own research and your own due diligence before investing in these markets. Harmony One, on the other hand, if we are going on staking rewards, 44.68% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. And this number, I believe, is going to get bigger and bigger in percentage, because we are in a bear market. More and more people are going to start accumulating and staking their Harmony One tokens. The reason as to why they will be doing that is earning passive income as time goes by, and there's an advantage to this as well. The more staked value, the higher the price will rebound once the bullish momentum really does return. Coins with high staked value tend to recover way faster compared to altcoins that don't have that staking mechanism built in. And I do believe that Harmony One is going to rebound very fast when the bull market returns, and people will be looking back at these prices and wishing they were accumulating at these levels. But that is it for today's coverage for Harmony One. Let me know in the comment section below where you can see the price of Bitcoin along with Harmony One go at the end of this month. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.